The 2000 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Some predict the future. We preferred to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, front air conditioning, automatic transmission, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless entry, cruise control, climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.